What's up, everybody? Phil with Bull City Pictures here with a quick look at this Kingjoy KT-200 travel tripod. It's an aluminum alloy tripod. Comes with a ball head. Ball head holds up to 6.6 pounds, they say. I have used my XT20 with my heavy lens on that, so I would say that might be fairly close to accurate. The maximum load with the tripod on the ball head is about 6 pounds, or 2.7 kilograms. It's got a couple really neat features besides the ball head. You can see the ball head will allow you to move around. Also, the ball head comes off. And then if you want to use this with something else, there's a small adapter in there to go to from 1/4 to 3/8 inch. So you can use that elsewhere. But it does fold up very nicely. You can take the legs and fold them up here. And then another nice feature is it does expand. So it will go to a maximum height of about 14.3 inches or 365 millimeters. It weighs 0.08 kilograms. So again, it's aluminum alloy. It's pretty light. That's just under 0.2 pounds. I take this with me pretty much everywhere. It fits very nicely in any of the bags that I have in the corner pocket. So if you're looking for a good travel tripod, definitely give this one a look. It's currently about $18 or so. There'll be a link down below to give you a little bit more information about this Kingjoy KT200. Phil with Bull City Pictures with your quick look at this travel tripod. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. If you do subscribe, please click on that bell icon. That will allow you to get notified whenever we go live or upload the latest video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.